नमस्ते, मैं आपका दोस्त आशीष कुमार और आप देख रहे हैं अपना पसंदीदा YouTube चैनल लर्निंग डिजिटल और हमारा मोटो है लर्निंग फॉर योर अर्निंग। तो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, हम यहाँ सीखते हैं ऑनलाइन पैन।
Welcome back. In the previous task, we have created and sent gift cards. In this task, we're going to edit the web storefront. So from the left-hand side, reach Sales Channels and click Online Store. Click Themes to manage the look and feel. You have a predefined theme, so from the top right-hand corner, you can click Customize to customize it. Here will be brought to the web editor. On the left-hand side, you have all the different sections already highlighted. On the right-hand side, you can see how the shop will look like. So you can edit your template here. So let's start editing our site. On the top, you have your shop name, you will have a search function, your menu, and the shopping bag or shopping cart. On the left-hand side, as said, you have listed vertically all the different sections of your site. So if we wanted to change this image with text overlay, we'll start with the first section. Click it. And here you can select an image. Let's upload an image to our library. Click Upload an image, and from our resources, let's select the t-shirt's cover. This will be the cover of our website, and we'll open that. Once we're happy with it, we'll click Select. The image alignment in the middle looks nice to me. We have a layout at full width, otherwise we can have a fixed width, so that it will be framed within the space. We want to take the entire space, so we'll go full width. The heading can be changed in something like the best t-shirts, for instance. And here we can have a message. So we'll select it all and go something like get the best t-shirts you can possibly get online. So the tagline is highlighted here. The text size is decided by this, and you can even add a button. So something like order now will create a button on your website, and we have a link that is sending you to the products page, for example, with all products. So now you have an order now button that will directly send you to your collection of products for people to, your catalog of products, for people to buy right away. Great. This section has been nicely edited. So on the top right hand side, click Save, and let's move back to edit the next section of the site. The next section is an image with text. Here, for example, we could highlight our summer collection. So let's click the next section, select an image, upload, and let's have your summer covered there, and open. Select the image now that we're happy with it, and again you can change your heading, something like summer collection. And I have added a filler here with some text, explore our great summer collection, etc. And on the top right hand side, we can click Save again. I really recommend to click Save often so that you don't miss your own edits. Your next section will be a section of 3 columns. With a smaller screen, such as on a mobile or tablet, you will see everything into one column. But with larger desktop screens, you will see the columns highlighted and side by side in a 3 columns fashion. So click the text column section here, and you will have the 3 columns with title or tagline. Click at the title or tagline and select an image. We can use the cover image again, and we'll select it. And let's say we'll have a heading such as quality t-shirts. And we'll have a filler again. On top right hand corner, click Save. Let's go back, pause and edit this video. Add a couple of title, taglines, and pictures such as find everything you need or the greatest summer collection so that you can direct users to different pages on your site. You can use the resources to have images added to the site. Pause the video and resume when you're done. Great, now that we have created our 3 columns with some text and images, we can go back and notice that we have a featured collection. So by clicking on this, you can select what collection do you want to have in this. We'll go for the homepage collection, as we know that we're going to feature here something that we want to have displayed on the homepage, and select. You could have chosen the summer collection, for instance. Here you can change the products per row and the rows that will be displayed. You can even add a View All button so that you can directly send the users to see the entire collection. We're happy with it and we'll go Save. Then we'll go back and let's have another promo in our next section, Image with Text Overlay. We'll select the image Summer and we'll have Select, and as text we'll have something like Enjoy Summer. And with our greatest collection. And we'll click Save. Now that we have our promo set in, we may have some customer testimonials and then our gallery. You got the gist of it, so why don't you pause the video, add some images as advertising taken from our resources library, and resume the video when you're done. Great, I have added my 3 images, and it's important to remember that these images can be made clickable like any other item on the website by simply adding a link. You can paste a link or you can send the user to some of your predefined pages. So for example, all products. So now when the hangers image will be clicked, it will be sent to the products page. You can save and go back. Similarly, I have used the summer image at the very center, so I can make this item clickable too. So go ahead and click and link, and here you can send it to a collections, for example, and pick the summer collection so that you will be sent right away to the summer collection page, etc. Save, and let's go back. Now that we're happy with the site editing, we can test it by simply click View Your Store. That way you can see how your store looks like now that it's published. Scroll down and you can see your entire pages edited the way you have. Beautiful online store. With clicks, these images can be clicked and be sent to the actual pages. The products in your collection are determined by the collection settings in your inventory and products, so they will be automatically displayed on your shop. Which leads us to our last step for this task. Under Products, click Collections, and remember that you have your homepage collection that will determine what you are displaying in your homepage. So let's go to our products and let's make sure that we add all of our products to be featured in our homepage, perhaps with the exception of the gift card. More actions, and scroll down to add to collections and select homepage, and then save. That way, when we're looking at our website, you will see that in our homepage, scrolling down, all the products will be displayed in your featured collection, the homepage collection. Now, when you're ready to publish, under Sales Channels Online Store, you can disable the password. You can protect your website with a password, or you can go ahead and disable it after you have started a plan to publish your website. Well done. In the next task, we're going to manage our orders. See you there.